Hi everyone, thank you for joining. We'll start with some warm up before we get into our sequence for the next half an hour or so. This event is part of Get Active Singapore, where we celebrate a stronger Singapore through sport. So get on your mat, get comfortable. On your sitting bones, legs outstretched in front of you. We will start with warming our body up. Keep your spine straight, hands to the side. Your legs active, toes pointing up towards the ceiling, looking forward. You may gently close your eyes here, taking in a few deep breaths, in and out. Now with the next inhalation, flex your foot, toes pointing towards you. Exhale forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your spine straight. Inhale. Exhale. You can also do it against a wall if you can't keep your spine straight or your back's hurting. Exhale to the front. Inhale, toes pointing towards you. Exhale forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to the center, your feet hip distance apart. We're working on flexibility for your ankles by doing a rotation here. As you inhale, bringing your toes pointing towards you in a circle. Exhale to the front. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Anti-clockwise the other way around. Exhaling out. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And come back to the center. Bring your feet together. Bend your right knee here. Keep your spine and your chest lifted and straight. Interlock your hands under your right thigh. Keep your left foot active, toes pointing towards the ceiling. With an inhalation, straighten your leg. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, straighten your leg. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. From here, bring your right foot onto your left thigh. Ankle rotation here again. Always keep your left foot active and your spine straight. Grab your right toes with your left hand and move in a circle. Rotating your ankles here. Anti-clockwise the other way around. Now from here, bringing your right hand onto your left knee. With an inhalation, you're going to pull your knee up close towards your chest. With an exhalation, push down towards the mat. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. As much as you can, you don't have to overstrain yourself. You're only warming up. Inhale, lifting it up. Exhale, down to the mat. Inhale up. Keep your left foot active. Hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, push down towards the mat or wherever's comfortable for you and holding it there. Keep your spine straight. Left foot pointing towards the ceiling. 3, 2, 1. Gently release your right foot, straightening your leg. Bend your left knee here. Keep your spine straight, right foot active. Interlock your hands under your thighs. With an inhalation, straighten your left leg. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now from here you want to bring your left foot onto your right thigh. Keep your right foot active. Ankle rotation here. Grab your left foot with your right hand, moving it in a circle. Always maintaining your posture, keeping it straight. Anti-clockwise the other way around. From here, bringing your left hand on your left knee with an inhalation, pulling your knee up close towards your chest. With an exhalation, pushing it down towards the mat. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Keep your right foot active, spine straight at all time. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Stay here for 5, 4, 3. Don't stop breathing. Breathe in and out. 2, 1. Exhale, push your knees down towards the mat as much as you can. No need to overstrain. 3, 2, 1. And gently release your knees. Straighten your leg here. Now from here, bend your knees. You want to bring the sole of your feet together into a full butterfly pose. So as you bring the sole of your feet together, you're going to push your knee down towards the mat. If you can't, that's okay. Wherever's comfortable for you, you can have it close towards your body or further away. Interlock your hands around your toes. Lengthen your back, lifting it up, chest straight. Look forward. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lean forward. As you lean forward, your knees naturally get pressed down towards the mat. Inhale. Exhale, lean forward as much as you can. Keep lifting your chest, pulling your shoulders back so that you're not rounding your back but keeping it straight. Bring the awareness of breathing to the stretch on your inner thighs. Breathe in deeply. And exhale, lean forward. Move at your own pace, go bit by bit, but allow yourself to relax with every exhalation, feeling the stretch on the inside of your thighs. Deep breathe in. And exhale, lean forward. Inhale again. Exhale, allow yourself to go deeper into the posture. Take a deep breath in again. Exhale, go deeper into the posture. Now from here, if you can come down on your elbows, good. Otherwise, walk your hand forward as much as you can, allowing yourself to go deeper into the posture. And just stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look forward. Stay here. Inhale. With an exhalation, walk your fingers over towards your right as much as you can, twisting from your torso, keeping your shoulders straight, chest still lifted, lengthening your back at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come back to the center. With an exhalation, walk your fingers towards the left. As much as you can, twisting from your torso here, pulling your shoulders back, keeping your chest lifted. 3, 2, 1. Slowly walk back to the center. Walk your fingers further forward, going deeper into the stretch. Slowly inhale, bring yourself back to the center. Bring your knees together. Hug your knees here. Slowly straighten your leg. From here, sit in a comfortable position.